السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الصداقة friendship. صداقة friendship. زينب وسلمى صديقتان. Zainab and Salma are friends. صديقتان means two friends. Zainab and Salma صديقتان. Zainab and Salman are two friends. تسكنان they both live. تسكنان they both live في حي واحد in the same area. In a same area. حي means area. Okay, place. واحد means one. وتدرسان and they both read, they both study. في مدرسة واحدة in one school. They both study in one school, at one school. تسكنان both live, تدرسان both study. وكان والد زينب تاجرا غنيا. Zainab's father was a very rich businessman. Kana was Walid means father. Zainab's father was a Tajara means businessman. How businessman he was? What type of businessman he was? Ghaniyan, rich. Amma on the other hand, Amma means on the other hand, Walid Salma, Salma's father. Salma's father. فقد كان عاملا فقيرا. He was a very poor worker, service holder. في أحد المصانع. في أحد in one of the factories. In one of the factories, Salma's father works. All right. And then كانت الصديقتان لا تقترفان. Okay. Like كانت الصديقتان لا تفترقان. Sorry, تفترقان. The two friends لا تفترقان. They never get separated. كانت الصديقتان two friends لا تفترقان. They were never separated. افترقا يفترقون separating. فهما they both معا فهما معا في المدرسة. They always used to be together at school. معا means together. They were always together at school. تجلسان they used to sit together. تجلسان means they used to sit together. متجاورتين they used to sit together next to each other. متجاورتان means next to each other. All right. في الصف in the class. وفي الاستراحة in break time تذهبان they both go أحيانا sometimes. أحيانا means sometimes. إلى المكتبة to the library. They sometimes go to the library. وأحيانا or sometimes إلى المقصف means in cafeteria. cafeteria. وأحيانا إلى المعرض. Sometimes they go to the field. In the break time, they sometimes go to the library, sometimes go to the cafeteria, or sometimes go to the field. وفي الحي and in the area تلتقي الصديقتان دائما. When they are in their area, in their neighborhood, حي means neighborhood. صديقتان, they both friends meet. تلتقي means meeting. التقى يلتقي, they always meet. دائما في العصر. In the evening, they always meet each other in the evening in their neighborhood. تجتمعان, they always get together. مرة في المنزل زينب. All right. Once they get together at Zainab's home, or another time they meet at Salma's home. Okay, they go to each other's home. Okay. تذكران they study together. دروسهما they learn their study together. وتؤديان and they both complete واجبائهما المدرسية, and they both accomplish or complete واجبائهما their homework of school. They both study and they both complete their homework together of the school at home. Okay, they were very much good friends. That's what this passage is saying. Okay. And next, أخبرت سلمى. أخبر يخبر means informing. Salma informed. صديقتها, her friend Zainab, صديقتها Zainab. Salma one day informed her friend Zainab, صديقتها Zainab, that that what about that matter? That walidaha, her father, walidaha sayatruku, her father will leave. Her father will leave. That means Salma's father was poor. Salma informed Zainab that walidaha, her father will leave sayatruku. Leave هذه المدينة, leave this city. وسينتقل, and his father will move إلى مدينة أخرى, to another city. Her father will move to another city. Okay, for what? بحثا عن عمل, looking for work, looking for job. Okay, looking for better job, something like that. لأن, because the passage is telling the reason why his father is leaving the city. لأن, because المصنع, the factory الذي كان يعمل, while he used to work in, قد أغلق, the factory was closed. All of a sudden, the factory where Salma's father used to work, it was closed. كان يعمل فيه قد أغلق, أغلق يغلق مجهول. كان يعمل, he used to work, الذي, where, the place, it was closed. Okay, that's why Salma's father needs to leave the city to look for another, another work in another city. قد حزنت, حزنت means he became sorry. Zainab became really sorry, felt sorry. Okay, sad. حزنة means becoming sad. حزنا شديدا, Zainab became very very sad. حزنا شديدا, very sad. فهي لا تستطيع أن تفارق صديقتها العزيزة. She will not be able to. Okay, here the Zainab is crying. Look, Zainab is crying. This is Fatima. Okay. Fahia, she is not able to antafariqa, to be separated, to leave, to be separated, sadiqataha, to be separated with her dearest friend, or with his lovely friend. She is not able to be separated with her lovely friend. La haza. La haza means noticed. Okay. Walidu Zainab. Zainab's father noticed. Lahaza ilahizu means noticing something. Okay. Zainab's father noticed fil bayt, at home. He noticed Zainab at home, Anna bintahu, that his daughter, Hazinatu. His daughter is very sad. Tawal al waqt, for a long time. Okay. For a long time, Zainab was sad, and Zainab's father noticed that. ولم تعد تضحك كعادتها. She was not smiling, or she didn't smile. She was not smiling the way she used to smile. Okay, she was not smiling كعادتها, the way she was habituated to smile always. She was not like that. She was not smiling like that. فسألها, then her father asked her, and سبب ذلك, asked for the reason. Why are you sad? Why are you not smiling, my girl, my daughter? فأخبرت who, then Zainab informed him بأن that صديقتها, that's her friend, صديقتها Salma, her friend Salma, سترحل, is living مع أسرتها, with her family, مع أسرتها, with her family, إلى مدينة أخرى, to another city. إلى مدينة أخرى means to another city. لأن, because والدها, her daughter, لم يجد, could not find, لم يجد, didn't find, عملا, a work, because her father didn't find a work في هذه المدينة, in the city. Okay, لأن والدها, her father, didn't find a job in the city after closing that factory where he used to work before. ابتسم والد زينب. Ibtasam means smiled. Okay. Zainab's father became Zainab's father smiled وقال لها, then he said to Zainab, لن تفارقي صديقتك. No, you are not be separated with your friend. Okay, you are not leaving your friend, inshallah. Okay, Allah is with us. You will not be separated. Okay, لن تفارقي, you will never be separated. Okay, you will never leave your friend, inshallah. And في الصباح, in the morning, أرسل والد زينب أرسل والد زينب رسالة. Zainab's father sent a letter رسالة, a letter إلى والد سلمان, to the father of Salma لمقابلته, for meeting him في مكتبه وعندما زاره, to meeting him in his office عندما زاره, when he will visit. Okay. Then Zainab's father sent a letter to the father of Salma to meet him. استقبله استقبالا حارا. Then he, accepted him. استقبله استقبالا حارا. He warmly accepted. Zainab's father warmly accepted Salma's father. وقال, then he said to him, لقد علمت أنك عامل نشيط. I heard that you are a very active worker ومخلص, and you are honest في عملك, in your work. ولهذا, for this, أريدك, I want you to work. أريدك أن تعمل, I want you to work في مصنعي, in my factory. سأعطيك, I will give you ضعف راتبك السابق. I will give you, twice amount of salary, double amount of salary that you used to get before. Okay, ratib means salary, therefore means double. Okay, double amount of salary as before. Okay, the salary that you used to get in this work, if you work here, as I know that you are an active worker and you're honest, then you will get double salary that you used to get, double amount of salary that you used to get before. فهل توافق? Are you ready? Are you agree? وافق والد سلمى, Salma's father became agree, وهو في غاية الفرح, and he was very happy. وبدأ عمله فورا, he immediately started working there. فورا means immediately. وفي نهاية اليوم, at the end of the day, عاد إلى أسرته, and he returned to his family. يحمل الحلوى, he carried sweet والفاكهة, fruits. وهو يبتسم, and he was smiling قائلا, and he was smiling, saying that لن نرحل, we are not gonna leave this city. لن نرحل من هذه المدينة, we are not leaving this city. لقد وجدت عملا, I found a work. Salma's father said this to his family, these things. And finally, في الصباح, in the morning, التقت meet, who meet? Two friends. Zainab and Salma met each other. كانت سلمى تضحك, Salma was smiling, laughing. سعيدة, because she was happy. سعيدة. وهي تقول لصديقتها, and she was telling this to her friend. لن نرحل, we are not leaving. يا زينب, we are not leaving. سنبقى, we will be staying في هذه المدينة, we will be staying in this city. لن نفترق, we are not going to be separated. أبدا, we are never be going to be separated. We are never going to be separated. لن نفترق أبدا. When learn will come, it will be tough that we are never gonna do that something. Okay, we're never gonna do something. لقد وجد, and he said that لقد وجد, found. وجد means found. أبي, my father. لقد وجد أبي عملا, my father found a work. Okay, ثم تعانقت, then they embraced each other. They embraced, it's called embracing. Okay, hugging. They hugged each other. They embraced each other. الصديقتان, they hugged each other في حب وسعادة, in happily with love. Right? في حب وسعادة. حب means love. سعادة means happy. Okay. So who was the great person here? Zainab's father was a great person because he was rich. And when he said that Zainab was noticed that Zainab was sad, then he wanted to do something so that two friends stay together. That's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.